Amazon Retail Arbitrage involves finding products at a discounted price in physical stores or online marketplaces and reselling them on Amazon for a profit. This strategy involves researching profitable products, comparing prices, and quickly shipping items to Amazon's fulfillment centers for sale. Success in retail arbitrage requires a solid understanding of product demand, pricing trends, and efficient logistics to maximize profits while minimizing costs. Amazon Retail Arbitrage is a popular strategy for making money on Amazon's platform. It involves finding products at discounted prices in physical stores, such as Walmart or Target, and then selling them on Amazon for a profit. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. 1. Research profitable products. Use tools like Camel, Jungle Scout, or Helium 10 to find products with high demand and low competition. Look for items with a profit margin of at least 20%. 2. Visit brick-and-mortar stores. Head to your local Walmart, Target, or other retail stores to find the products you want to sell. Check the price tags and make sure the products are in good condition. 3. Purchase products. Buy the products at a discounted price using coupons, sales, or clearance items. Some stores also offer price-matching policies, which can help you save even more money. 4. Ship products to Amazon. Use a shipping service like UPS or FedEx to send the products to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Make sure to pack the items securely and include all necessary information, such as SKU numbers and barcodes. 5. List products on Amazon. Create listings for each product using Amazon's Seller Central platform. Include accurate product details, high-quality images, and competitive pricing. 6. Manage inventory. Keep track of your stock levels and reorder products as needed to avoid running out of stock. Consider using inventory management tools like Restock Pro or Zonguru to streamline this process. 7. Monitor sales and profits. Regularly check your sales and profits using Amazon's reports and analytics tools. Adjust your pricing strategy and product selection as needed to maximize your profits. By following these steps, you can successfully implement the Amazon Retail Arbitrage strategy and start earning money from home.